This Fan Electric Ghost, and this episode is how we deconstruct expansive sound. Yesterday we talked about the song Autopilot, and we created a new song called Pilot Auto Control. And expansive sound is this idea that you combine multiple genres, and we use hardware synths and hardware recorders to capture music at the source of the instruments themselves. And we don't use the computer or the grid to kind of construct songs. We use our Moogs and Rolands and Arturias and Make Noise, all of our hardware synth devices in our Teenage Engineering OPZ. We use all these hardware synths to record ideas directly at the instrument. And then because we have the recorder connected directly to the instrument and the mixer is all connected, we can make musician decisions. Like we can make artistic decisions right as we're playing. And we kind of just do multiple takes on the hardware recorders, which do save clips or stems, but we use a Zoom R24. So if you record track 1 and 2 and they're in stereo, we'll record stereo tracks, and then you keep on building until you get like 24 tracks, and you could bounce and do another 48 tracks. So you can do a lot of tracks and you can punch in and punch out, but you don't have anything on a grid, as to say. You do have the actual wave file in a hardware recorder where you can kind of scroll through it and punch in and punch out, but it's a really tiny screen. So it's not as conducive to that type of editing. So you tend to actually just play the music till you get it right, which, could be a problem if you're a musician that doesn't like to do it that way. It's kind of old school. But we also have samplers. In this particular song, Autopilot, Total Loss of Control, what we did is we used our Make Noise Morphogene sampler, which is a Eurorack sampler. We took the original song that we mastered on our Zoom R24, and then we brought it in the Landar, put it on the SoundCloud, and we replayed it through our iPhone back into the sampler. So we took a line from the iPhone using a lightning cable to like 1/8 of an inch line, brought it directly into the Make Noise sampler, and then basically morphed the song. And once we recorded it, we reran it, the clip of like a 3-minute clip of the song, which is originally like a 7-minute song. We took it and ran it using the Morphogene's ability to slow down the sample and to morph the sample and to have some unique modulation happening on the sample itself. And they use the MX1 Performance Mixer to edit the sound and use the filter on it. And then we threw some other sounds on top of it. So we added some additional guitar and some System 1M effects to the sound. And we created this new version that we call Pilot Auto Control, which is more of the beat was slowed down, and kind of the vocal is brought down a couple octaves by morphing it and slowing it down, and run it a little bit backwards. So that allows us to create a kind of dirge version of the song. And this is where we sometimes make alternate versions, and there are multiple alternate versions of songs like this in our catalog. If you check out some of the Bentley singles that we have out there, we did that with a couple of songs that we've released on Bentley Records this year. So we did some songs that have this type of style. One of the songs that says, is Stephanie said, "Don't you fret, you're dead." And then the other song that's in the same kind of vein is "You're My Little Wretch." Now, Stephanie said, "You're dead, don't you fret." Said, "Don't fret, you're dead," is "You're My Little Wretch" actually kind of slowed down and resampled, and then additional parts put onto it. And we've done that a bunch of times with our music, where we've done these alternate versions. And we just think that's kind of interesting. It kind of goes back to Neil Young on Tonight's the Night. He did all alternate versions of Hey Hey. Well, not the one, but there are alternate versions of songs. Probably Rust Never Sleeps is like hey hey my hey hey. So that, and he did that on Freedom as well. So that is something we've always been interested in. When artists do that, we do a different variation that has a different feel, maybe even have slightly different lyrics. So we just think that was cool, and then we rebranded our SoundCloud because our SoundCloud, for some reason, some folks were being haters, and we got like 1,700 songs on that original SoundCloud site, and somehow somebody said some of the songs were not meeting community standards. Now I don't understand that when you listen to SoundCloud and you hear a lot of rappers are very much into very hardcore material that have like very pornographic type of references. We never did anything that direct. We talked about sex, but we didn't get that crazy. Not that you can't do that. So we're not understanding what the issue was. If you listen to like XXXTentacion, it's like, why is that not violating community standards? So we don't understand what somebody kind of did something to us there. So we rebranded, and we're starting off fresh with some of our tracks. We're going to bring over probably the Dark Ghost album, because that's a favorite, and some like SoundCloud albums that we did that are primarily just instrumentals. So we're going to bring over some of the old stuff that we liked. Probably bring Dark Ghost Volume 1 over, the original version of it, and then we'll bring over Dancing and Drowning and a couple other ones into this site, just to keep those out there, because those are some of our favorites. So we're going to work on that later today. But hope you like everything that we're doing. We've got a link to our album, The Flower That Blooms at Midnight in the Tomb, which is primarily constructed on an OPZ from Teenage Engineering and OPZ. It's available on CD and all streaming services. And also, if you're interested in doing an interview with us, send us a voice memo with your Instagram username, and then we can set up a direct communication through direct message on how to set up a meeting or an interview. It's for free. You can do it on Anchor FM. We're on 11 different platforms, including Spotify and Apple. We hope that you enjoy what we're doing, and we'll get back to you. And also, like, if you like what we're doing, please become a supporter or subscribe to the podcast. There are different levels you can support us at, and that would be appreciated. Thank you very much.
You're not autopilot. This ain't a robotic drive. You gotta feel that beat. Stay alive. This ain't no autopilot. This ain't no computer drive. You gotta feel that beat. Stay alive. This ain't no autopilot. This ain't no computer drive. This ain't no 505 pilot. This ain't no fight to survive. You gotta feel that beat. Stay alive. There's no nodding off when you should get off. There's no nodding off, and that's because you wanna come in here, my dear. Gotta feel the beat, or you'll feel the fear. No nodding off. There's only one way to get off. Feel that tribal drum beat. A mother 32 steps all they need. I don't give a fuck if your ears bleed. A mother 32 steps what you need. I better get down with the police. You take the old drive on the expressway. You might just blunder your health away. You might just doze off on the highway. Robotic drive ain't gonna keep you alive. And this is just another synthetic beat. I know that me. This is just another synthetic beat. Please don't pretend like you know Josephine. This is just another synthetic beat. Oh, please don't act like you know Josephine. I've been out there where you've been so mean. And just go out on the highway, take that drive. See if the autopilot will keep you alive. I think you need something real nice. And see if you go out there, take that drive. And the autopilot will keep you alive. I think you need to feel something so nice. Get that mostly tight. Oh, it's alright. I think you really need something so nice. I think you really need something to hide. I don't want to drive with the autopilot. It won't keep you alive. You gotta feel that beat. There's no time to sleep. No nodding off in the middle of the floor. Stephanie has said you're here to score, but there's no nodding off on dance floor. Stephanie said you're here to score, but there's no nodding off on dance floor. And you shouldn't use those words. That's not the worst that I heard. When I go back drive, won't keep you alive. That robotic drive won't keep you alive. And you got a will to not survive. You can't score, starting off on the dance floor. We're gonna prove there's more to being high than just nodding off and saying goodbye. There's more than to that in life. I know I don't always get the words right. You need that beat to survive. There's more than nodding off than get high. You need to feel that drum light. It'll clear you from a decadent life. That smoke will take you down for a place that you need to feel the sound. And not robotic on the highway. Yeah, don't think you'll survive that way. Oh, take the wheel. Oh, cop a feel. We got something so real. You're gonna cop more than feel. We got something so real. You're gonna cop more than a will. Don't be nodding off and dance floor, and that's no way to score. And we know what you called us before. That word that rhymed with the door. There's no nodding off on dance floor. That's no way to score. And Josephine, we know what you called us before. Words that rhymed with the door. They don't need it no more. Words rhymed with the door. You're dead on the floor. And that dead comes some more. And that dead on the floor. And that dead, but you need some more.